The Tesla Cybertruck is a futuristic electric pickup designed to challenge conventions with its bold design and groundbreaking capabilities. Made from ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, it's nearly indestructible, while its armored glass windows add extra durability. Dual, tri, and quad motor variants provide up to 1,000 horsepower, allowing a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in as little as 2.9 seconds. It boasts a range of up to 500 miles per charge and can tow up to 14,000 pounds. Inside, the minimalist cabin features a 17-inch touchscreen, autopilot capabilities, and seating for six. With its unconventional design and revolutionary performance, the Cybertruck starts at $49,900, redefining what an electric truck can be.